In this video, I'll be showing you practically how you can verify your TIN number, that is your tax identification number. So you don't have to reach out to anybody to help you verify your TIN. It's something that you can do yourself. And I'm using the phone for you to say that you can do it on your phone in just seconds or minutes. And that's why I'm not using my PC, that is my laptop. So we'll be showing you how you can verify your tax identification number to see whether it is ready for tax filing or corporate account opening. Don't forget that we have two types of verification. I need to make this clear before I proceed. We have two types of verification. We have the one that you verify on the NRS portal, and we have the one that you verify on the tax formers portal, right? Because I know a lot of people are actually confused right now with the NRS portal. We have the NRS portal where you get the tax ID, you get a new tax ID number, and we have the other one for tax validation, which we call Tax Pro Max. We've explained this tax formers, TIN number, NRS, FRS. We've explained these issues in several videos on our channel, and that is why you need to subscribe. What you just have to do is that you can click the attached video to this video to check more or know more about it, or check our channel to get more information about the differences between this NRS, FRS, tax formers, TIN number, tax ID, or any other one. This one is as it says here, it shows retrieval, that is tax ID retrieval method, which means that you already have it before you want to retrieve it. But one thing I need to let you know is that on this same portal, you can generate a new one. If you are an individual, you can generate a new one using your NI number. If you are an entity, you can generate for your business, for your company, your IT, or any other one. All you just have to do is enter your CAC number, or your individual number, and you click on retrieve tax ID, and you can also retrieve the one that you've done before, and you can also retrieve it on this portal. But the one I want to show you here is for validation, that is tax validation, the one that will verify that okay, you are ready for tax filing, you are ready for corporate account opening, you are ready to get your tax certificates, tax clearance certificates, right? It is different from this one that I just showed you. That one is FRS, apps.frs.gov.ng/TIN verification. You can check the comment section. We'll also be attaching these links. If you do not attach it, just let us know in the comment section. We will do that right away. So you see this one right here. This one is as you can see here, it has FRS here, right, and it has NRS here. That's usually one of the complications of the new tax reform, which is still yet to be updated, right? But that's not what we are here to do. So you click on TIN number and you enter the TIN. I already have a sample of a TIN number that I want to use here. So you click on TIN number, you enter the TIN, and you click on search, right? You click on search. As you can see here, this thing is showing that kindly visit your tax office and register on tax formers, which says that it is not yet ready for tax filing, right? But let me do something right here. Okay, still the same thing. If you notice, this one ends with 001, 000 and 1, right? That's one of the differences of an actual TIN number that is ready for tax filing and the one that is not ready for tax filing, that is the tax formers, because it has to end with this 001. It has to end with it. I mean, I'm talking about corporate entity now, not an individual. It has to end with this 001, which shows that it is directly from the FRS portal. That is from the FRS portal, right? As you can see, this one is telling you that you should kindly visit your tax office and register on tax formers. And this is what most of the TIN number that you have, this is what it should be showing, especially the one that you just generated from the NRS portal and it has not yet been validated. This is what it should be showing. And one of the easier thing about this thing is that after your CAC registration, your agent, or even you yourself, if you are the one that did the registration, you'll be able to get a TIN number directly from the CAC portal without having to pay for an extra fee or go through an extra stress to get a TIN number for your business, right? So if it is validated, it will just show the business details, right? It will show the business details down here. Maybe we will also do a separate video on the one that is validated, but this is just to let you know that if yours is showing this, right, if you do this and yours is showing this, you should not panic. We will only do the tax formers for you. You can, with your tax formers done, you'll be able to file tax, open corporate accounts, and do anything you want to do with your TIN number. Just like I always explain to my clients, right? Tax Pro Max is just like you are registering or activating a new SIM. Without registering or activating a new SIM, there is no way you'll be able to you make the SIM do the functions that it's supposed to do. But after activating and registration, you'll be able to do anything you want to do with it, right? So that's what explains this whole tax ones. So if you want to know further, if you want to get further consultation about this whole tax romance or thing of a thing, you can get through to us through our email or our contact number. And if you also want us to do your tax romance for you, you can reach out through the number showing on your screen right now. We'll do that for you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, I'll see you.